Insha'Allah, one day you will smile and say, Ya Allah, this is more than what I prayed for. Alhamdulillah.
You're thinking too much. Your iman is weak. That's why you are suffering. When your iman is weak, you know what happens? You start thinking, what's going to happen to me, my future? You stop worrying in that way. Worrying never solves a problem. Trust me. Lay your trust in Allah. Do what you can in your capacity. Go out and try as hard as you can. Never ever leave any stone unturned when it comes to your effort, and leave the rest in the hands of Allah.
Not once did Allah said worry about it or stress over it. He said, trust me. Ya Allah, I'm scared. Do not be afraid. I am with you all the time, listening and seeing. But I'm in pain. For indeed, with hardship will be ease. They say bad stuff about me. Do not let their words sadden you. What should I do? Speak good or remain silent? If you look back, you'll see that every situation that Allah has brought you into has either changed you, helped you grow, made you stronger, taught you a lesson, or made you a better person. Everything He does has a purpose.